had some really interesting conversations already this morning about Microsoft Copilot Studio and how it can help people inside companies who obviously use the Microsoft suite to build little, almost, it's like mini agents that help you to perform a specific task. So, two use cases I want to explore. The first one is like a simple, almost coach or facilitator to help a group of learners to complete like a canvas. We've made a canvas. That's their kind of final deliverable for a learning experience, and it's got 7 areas on it. And I want to create a little agent in Copilot Studio that takes them through the steps of completing that and helps them think through it and reflect on what they need to reflect on. Just using a bunch of the content that we already have for the course. And the second one is like a simple content creation tool where, you know, we're very often having to like send out comms, write questions, repackage content in different ways. And I think it'd be really useful to have, again, all of the content and all of the learning design documents and transcripts of videos in that kind of context piece. What do they call it in Copilot Studio? 1 second. They call it knowledge, all in the knowledge bit. So in Copilot Studio, you've got like the instructions, what you want it to do and in what order. Then you've got the knowledge, which is like documents you've uploaded, links from the website, from the web. That's what it all looks at when a user asks it a question and chooses which one's most relevant. And then you've got topics, which is essentially like structures for the conversation. So you can set the conversation start, the end of the conversation, how it says goodbye, what to do to escalate something, and then actions. So you could even like have it send an output to an Excel or a Word doc or something like that. What else does it have here as default actions? Yeah, send an email notification, things like that. And then obviously there's some analytics. So yeah, gonna play around with this a lot more, but I think it's, you know, maybe for the next 6 months, inside companies, exploring custom GPTs and Copilot Studios, I think is going to get to a lot of efficiencies.